Hello guys, so congratulations, you are through the first section of the course, that is IAM, and in this lecture we will go through the summary and exam tips. As you know that IAM consists of the following: users, groups, roles and policies. So users are the part of groups, and groups can be anything like admin group, developer group, testers group, marketing team or HR team, etc. And roles are something which we create for any AWS service so that it can access other AWS service. For example, you want your EC2 instance to access S3 service, then we will assign a role to that particular EC2 instance. And policies are set of rules written in JSON, that is JavaScript object notation, and no one is going to ask the full form of JSON, by the way, in the exam. So policies can be assigned to groups or roles, as we did in our IAM lab lecture, in which we assigned administrator access policy to group, and all the users under that group was able to have administrator access. Okay, so this is about what IAM consists of, that is users, groups, roles, and policies. So these are the main points to ponder for based on your exams, or these are the main exam tips. So you need to remember that IAM is universal and it doesn't apply to any particular region. So whenever if you remember, when we have selected the IAM service, so if you see in the top right side, it was not visible as for particular region. It was visible as global region. Okay, so IAM is universal or global. Root account is the first account created when you set up your first AWS account. So you might remember that when we have signed up, then root account was the first account which got created. And new users doesn't have any permission when they were first created. So you need to assign permissions to them, or you need to assign policies or roles to them. Not roles, policies to them. New users are assigned access key ID and secret access keys when they were first created. So if you remember, when we have created our first user named as Diljit, so that user had got access key ID and secret access keys, which is mainly used during programmatic access, that we'll discuss later on. And while setting up an MFA, setting up a root account, you need to always set a MFA, that is multi-factor authentication. And you can create your own password rotation policy, like after how many days your user should expire, or those things. All right. So these are the main points which you should worry about, which should be monitored during your exam, which will come in your exam. Okay, so that was the summary. So in next lecture we are going to discuss about S3, that is simple storage service, and then we will move to EC2. That's it for today, guys. Let's meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye bye.